Hello and welcome to the 1000 Curiosities channel. My name is Christian and today's video is about the octopus. The octopus is a soft-bodied sea animal living on the ocean floor. It is a mollusk with 8 limbs from the order of Octopoda. There are over 300 species of octopus in the seas and oceans of the earth. Most of them have a saccular body, the head being only slightly demarcated from their body, with large complex eyes and 8 arms. The first octopus mentions come from the ancient Greeks in the form of paintings on clay vessels dating from the years 1500 to 1000 BCE. They considered octopuses to have a protective role and also painted these on frescos or on their shields. Regardless of the species, octopuses live between 3 and 5 years, which limits their knowledge. Scientists believe that if their lifespan was a lot longer, these animals would be very intelligent and a dominating force. Octopuses can camouflage themselves much better than chameleons. They can imitate both the color of an object but also its texture, being able to appear as a stone covered in algae, a sea snake, a fish, a flounder, or even a starfish. All octopuses are venomous. Fortunately, not all of them have enough venom to kill a human. The most dangerous is the blue-ringed octopus, whose venom can kill an adult human in a few minutes. The only thing its prey notices are the blue rings, which only become visible when it prepares to attack. After years of study, researchers believe that these animals have their own personality and thinking. Their body is composed of approximately 500 million neurons. 2/3 of the neurons are located in the limbs. It's like each tentacle has its own brain. As such, the tentacles can solve problems by themselves, such as opening an oyster's shell, while the octopus can concentrate on other activities such as looking for more oysters. The common octopus has approximately 240 suction cups on each limb. Males use one of the arms as a reproductive organ. The octopus breathes helped by its 3 hearts, which have a different role each. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while a third circulates it to the rest of the body. The eyes of the octopus are very well developed and have the pupils horizontally oriented. This helps them avoid dangers more easily and to find food. In order to escape predators, the octopus produces ink which it shoots towards them, thus gaining time to escape. This ink can have different colors, mostly black, but also red, dark blue or brown. It is composed of melanin, the same pigment that colors our hair and skin. Because they don't have an internal or external skeleton, octopuses have an incredible ability to sneak through the smallest holes, at the same time changing the shape of their body. The only solid part of its body is the cartilaginous skull. Octopuses are carnivore animals. They feed on molluscs, crustaceans, crabs, snails, fish, turtles, oysters, and even on other octopuses. They inject the venom using their beak, which looks similar to a parrot's beak. In their environment, octopuses are lonely animals. Octopuses are semmelparous animals, which means they reproduce once and then they die. They lay between 20 and 60,000 eggs in long braided strands that look like white grape clusters in the shape of tears. The process of laying the eggs can take as long as a month. When the eggs hatch, the larvae have a size of only 2.4 millimeters. Since laying the eggs and up to when the larvae grow large enough, the mother octopus doesn't eat anything and then she dies. Octopus hatchlings receive no maternal care and only about 1% of them make it to adulthood. Octopuses usually hunt during the night. Their predators are dolphins, sharks, eels, and last but not least, humans, who hunt them for their tasty meat. Large octopuses can also attack sharks. Their best defense is their ability to hide. If the first line of defense fails, the octopus still has a few aces down its sleeve, such as using the ink jets, camouflage, or auto-amputation. When threatened, they release large amounts of ink into the water using their siphon, which creates a dark cloud, helping them to get away fast. Just like lizards or some spiders, octopuses can leave the predator one or more tentacles. They are the only invertebrate which proved that it can use tools. The smallest octopuses only measure a few centimeters and live in the waters of Sri Lanka. The giant Pacific octopuses live in the cold waters of the Pacific Ocean, off the coast of Canada, Japan, Siberia, and Alaska. Their tentacles can grow up to 5 meters long and they can reach weights of up to 15 kilograms. Little is known about them in the wild and they are not protected by international treaties. The largest octopus on record weighed an impressive 600 pounds or 272 kilograms and its tentacles measured 9 meters. One of the most well-known octopuses remains Paul, which guessed the results of the South Africa World Cup in 2010. Unfortunately, it passed away a few months later on the 26th of October 2010. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to leave us a like, share and subscribe. My name is Christian, and until the next video, all the best.